How do I reset my iCloud password?
Hello there. If you're having trouble remembering your iCloud password, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of resetting it. You'll need your Apple ID and access to the email account or phone number associated with it. Remember, your security is paramount, so make sure you're doing this on a trusted device.
What is your Apple ID?
First things first, you need to know your Apple ID because it's essentially the key to your iCloud account. If you're already logged into an Apple device, you can typically find this in your device settings under your name. Your Apple ID is usually your primary email address. Please note, if you can't remember your Apple ID, you'll need to recover that first.
Initiating the password reset process.
1. Start by going to the Apple ID account page on your preferred web browser. 2. Click on Forgot Apple ID or Password. 3. Enter your Apple ID in the provided field.
Confirming your identity.
This is a crucial step to protect your account from unauthorized access. 1. You may be asked to confirm your phone number associated with your Apple ID. 2. If you have set up two-factor authentication, you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. 3. A notification will appear on your Apple devices. Tap Allow, then follow the on-screen instructions.
Resetting the password.
Now comes the moment of truth, resetting your password. 1. You will be asked to enter a new password. 2. Be sure to make it strong and unique, but also something you can remember. Apple's guidelines require your new password to have 8 or more characters, upper and lowercase letters, and at least one number. 3. After entering your new password, click Reset Password to complete the process. And that's it. You have successfully reset your iCloud password. If you run into any issues along the way, don't hesitate to contact Apple's support for further help. Remember, it's crucial to keep your iCloud password secure and to change it regularly for the best security. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful to you. Stay safe and take care.